You can now use a flat image in Photoshop and use the rotate tool to transform it into a 3D image. I'll be trying this feature with bunch of different images and we'll see how it works. Let's get started. I will use object selection tool and then press Ctrl+J to copy, or we can add a layer mask. That will also work. After that, let's add a solid color. Click here. You can also press Ctrl+T and right click and use the rotate object from there, or just click here. After that, just wait a moment, and as you can see, it gives us the option to control the tilt rotation. You can just drag here to rotate left to right and here to top to bottom, or you can use this slider to do the same thing, or you can just go to properties and you get all the controls right there. How cool is that? Once you're done, just hit OK and it will take some time. Wow, it's amazing. It looks beautiful. I'm wondering, can I copy the editable 3D layer and paste it to other project? Let's copy, Ctrl+C, and we will paste here, Ctrl or Command+V. Oh, comes out we can. Let's try placing it here. If we click on Edit Rotate, we can again access the previous stage where we did the rotation, so we don't have to do it again and again. You can just go and edit the rotation. Once we are done reshaping the headphone, we can just press on harmonize, and with one click it will do the job. Here's the result. This one is good. Wow, it really looks good. Let's see what we got with a dog. I will do some adjustment right here, and after that I will hit OK. I will also add a solid color. Let's rotate. You can see now we can rotate, tilt, or do any position that we want. So far it looks good, but the final result will be after we hit OK. Looks great, but I think something is off. Maybe if we change its position, we will get a better result. And still, we can use this in many cases. What about this bird? Let's find it out. I will just use the select subject, because I think that's gonna be better. Yeah, it is better. Wow, this one looks great. Okay, I think it's because we have one full side, so it's easy for AI to generate the other side. I'll just place it here and hit OK. Nice. We see a little problem there on the head. We can just fix it using the remove tool. We don't have to use AI for that. It's easy. I will link them together, so if I move one layer, the other layer will move too. I will extend the image using the Adobe Firefly model, then I will have more space to place the second bird. And again, you can use the harmonize tool to make it look real with just one click. We can do the same with this. We can rotate it and then we can just place it right here. Once that's done, we can use harmonize, and there you go. Here are a few more examples that I have tried. I'll just fast forward the video without any talk. So this was it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.